Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to come on and wish everybody a happy new year. So we have made it into 2021, and tonight I just wanted to bring you in the kitchen with me. So I'm cooking for my family. We're having our New Year's dinner, and basically it is a soul food platter. So we had a lot of ideas for the menu, but we landed with steak, rice, gravy, collard greens, and cornbread muffins. So I'm just making some cornbread muffins. I've got the steak on. I put the steak in the Instant Pot, and I have the steak and the gravy in the Instant Pot. And then I've got the rice cooking, and now I'm going to throw in the cornbread muffin. So I just decided to share this with you. Of course, I'm trying to cook the food so that everything turns out done at the same time, because I like for all of my food to be hot at the same time. So the cornbread muffin only takes about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. So that will be the last thing that I prepare. The longest thing, of course, was the steak. I cooked that in the Instant Pot so that it could be nice and tender for my family. So I put that on first, and then I put on the collard greens because that took about 30 minutes or so. Then I put on the rice, which was about 15 minutes. And lastly, I'm going to be putting on the cornbread muffins. And that's it. Tomorrow, we're not going to be doing much, of course, with it being New Year's weekend. We're just kind of staying in, still getting through this pandemic. So I hope you and your family are faring well. We have been healthy and safe. And fortunately, 2020 has not been too bad for us. But again, just wanted to share this holiday with you all. And it's pretty low key for us. This is what we enjoy doing today, just kind of hanging out around the house and having good food with family. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Take care, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now. It's on the table. All right, you eating steak sauce?